Guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, because that is the only way you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. And if you yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Okay, so if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. These are the assets that I will be checking out today. Okay, we will be doing this together. Okay, so everything I will be doing here is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then I would love to have you will love to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with Gamex 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and I will be using my custom made indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay. So guys, just where we have seen this, if you should notice, this is giving us an uptrend movement. Okay. It's changed the market structure at this spot. Okay. And of course, if you should notice, it got to this region, the pullback broke the structure at this spot also to get to this high and came back down, and of course I'm expecting it to go up and break out from this structure. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. This had been on uptrend also for a very long time. It had been on uptrend. Okay, so and of course you can see it going up, breaking out from the previous structure to create a new one. It has gotten to a new one again, trying to pull back again. Then it will go back up and see if it can break out from there. So this is still very much on uptrend, just the way we are saying it. Except if it breaks out above this support trend line, that is when we can say it is ready to sell for a while. But for now, it is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. So this is still buying, guys. We've been buying that particular asset for a very long time, and it is still on uptrend, guys. So the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 had also been on downtrend for a while, and of course it got to this support zone, tried to pull back, and right now it will be retesting it again. If it breaks out below it, then definitely it is going to sell more, but if it does not, then it will switch back into an uptrend. But for now, it is still selling. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999, just the way we analyzed it earlier today. This had been on downtrend. We actually had our setup right from here, and of course, it has been selling since then, guys. It has been selling since then, and it is still selling right now. Okay, it is at this particular support zone right now. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. If it does not, then it will switch into an uptrend. But for now, it is still selling because it is still on downtrend. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Then the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is FX volume 80. This has also been on uptrend for a very long time. Okay, it all started right from here, and it has been buying and buying, breaking out from structures, broke out from here, also broke out from here, and right now it is pulling back at the moment. Okay, so and if it does not break out below this particular support trend line, then definitely it means that it is still going to go back on uptrend and break out from this particular structure. Okay, so because this has been on uptrend for a very long time, I'm going to go with a buy signal, except if this breaks out from the support trend line, that is when it's going to sell more. Okay, so this should be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos very well, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.